Hey everyone, welcome back to Issa Trend. Today, we're diving into a topic that everyone can benefit from, saving money. Whether you're looking to build an emergency fund, save for a big purchase, or just want to have more financial freedom, these tips will help you get there. So, let's get started. Tip number 1, create a budget. This might sound basic, but it's the foundation of good financial management. Start by tracking your spending for a month to see where your money is going. You'll be surprised at how much those little expenses add up. Then, set clear financial goals. For example, if you want to save for a vacation, determine how much you need and by when. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to help you stay on track. And remember, a budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about making sure your money works for you. Here's a quick look at how I use Mint to track my expenses and set my budget. It's super user-friendly and helps me stay on top of my finances. Tip number 2, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you save consistently without even thinking about it. It's a great way to build your savings effortlessly. Think of it as paying yourself first. And if you get a raise or a bonus, increase your automatic transfer amount to save even more. I personally set up an automatic transfer every payday. It feels great to see my savings grow without any extra effort. Tip number 3, cut down on unnecessary expenses. Try having no-spend days where you don't spend any money at all. It's a fun challenge and really makes you think about your spending habits. Also, plan your meals for the week to avoid eating out and reduce food waste. Cooking at home can be healthier and much cheaper than dining out. I love meal prepping on Sundays. It saves me time during the week and keeps me from ordering takeout. Plus, it's a great way to ensure I'm eating healthy. Tip number 4, use cashback and discount apps. There are plenty of apps out there like Rakuten or Honey that offer cashback on your purchases. Always look for coupons and discounts before making a purchase. It's an easy way to save money on things you were going to buy anyway. And don't forget about loyalty programs at your favorite stores. I saved a lot on my last online shopping spree using Honey. It automatically applies the best coupons at checkout. Super convenient. Tip number 5, reduce your utility bills. Invest in energy-efficient appliances and unplug devices when they're not in use. These small changes can make a big difference in your monthly bills. Also, consider using a programmable thermostat to save on heating and cooling costs. I switched to LED bulbs and noticed a significant drop in my electricity bill. Plus, they last longer, so it's a win-win. Tip number 6, review your subscriptions. Cancel any subscriptions you no longer use or need. It's easy to forget about these recurring charges, but they can add up quickly. Take a few minutes each month to review your bank statements and see if there are any subscriptions you can cut. I found a few subscriptions I wasn't using anymore and canceled them. It felt like finding free money. Tip number 7, shop smart. Buy non-perishable items in bulk and opt for generic brands instead of name brands. This can save you a lot of money on groceries and household items. Also, try shopping during sales and using price comparison tools to get the best deals. I always check unit prices to make sure I'm getting the best deal. And don't forget to bring your reusable bags to save on bag fees. Tip number 8, save windfalls. Instead of spending bonuses or tax refunds, save them or use them to pay off debt. It's a great way to boost your savings without changing your regular spending habits. Treat it like money you never had and put it straight into your savings. I used my last tax refund to pay off a chunk of my student loans. It felt amazing to reduce my debt. Tip number 9, DIY when possible. Learn to do simple home repairs yourself instead of hiring professionals. Make your own gifts and decorations to save money during holidays and special occasions. There are plenty of tutorials online to help you get started. I made these cute holiday decorations myself. Not only did I save money, but it was also a fun and rewarding project. Tip number 10, invest wisely. Look for high-interest savings accounts to maximize your savings. Consider investing in stocks or mutual funds for long-term growth. Always do your research or consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. I started investing a few years ago, and it's been exciting to watch my money grow. Just make sure to diversify your investments to spread out the risk. And there you have it, folks, 10 of the best ways to save money. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Is a Trend, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments below which tip you're going to try first or share your own money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.